Most of the editing will be done in Eclipse IDE, so we'll first focus on getting the Android setup up. To do the Android environment, you need to download Eclipse IDE. So we will type Eclipse IDE and we will go to the first link and we will select the Eclipse required IDE from the list and we will click the download button. So we can see the Eclipse is downloading. After Eclipse is being downloaded successfully, we will extract it and double click on the eclipse.exe. After that, we will download the Android development tool ADT from the developer.android.com and we'll see how it can be installed as a plugin for the Eclipse IDE. We can download the ADT in two ways. One from the below mentioned URL and download the ADT plugin zip file. We can see the URL. Now we'll go to Eclipse. We will click on install new software. We'll click on add. We will put the HTTPS URL. We will give the name ADT plugin. After that, we will click on OK the button. We can see the listed developer tools on the platforms like Android DBMS. We will click on next, and we can see that. Another way of downloading the ADT is by clicking on the ADT zip file. We can see the Android ADT is downloading. After that, we will go to Eclipse and we will click on install new software. We will click on add. We will click on the archive and we will select the zip file and we will give the required name ADT plugin and we will click on the OK button. We can see the same developer tool listed below. We can click on next and it will fetch. After downloading the ADT successfully, we will now download the Android SDK. We will go to the installing the SDK. We will go to the standalone SDK tools. We will click on download SDK and we will download the required zip and we will click on the license and we will download the SDK. We can see the Android SDK is downloading. We will now specify the Android SDK location. So we can see this is the folder location. We will go to the folder. We can see all the listed directories. Now we'll go to the Eclipse. Now we can see all the Android listed platforms which I have already installed in my system. Now we will start the Android SDK. Now it is fetching. You can see. So these are all the listed. We will maximize it. Now we can see these are all the listed installed devices for Android 4.3, 4.2 and all the things which are installed on the system. So this more from the part of Android SDK. After downloading the Android successfully, we can see this is the build root. Now we have to set the class path. We will go to the computer properties. We will go to the advanced settings, environment variables. We will go to the path. We will copy the path of the platform tools and we will paste it. Now we will go to the Android SDK and we will go to tools. We will copy the path. We will go to the same location and we will paste it and we will click the OK button. By this we can save the path